This sugar bowl had seen better days, and I decided to do something about it. It was very tarnished. I tried all the things, the soaking, the rubbing, this and that, and nothing would help it improve. The lid came out nice, so I decided I was going to paint it, and I used this Dixie Belle chalk paint in the color blueberry. Dixie Belle is a great quality chalk paint. I'm not paid to say that, by the way. So that is what I did, and I used a rub-on transfer by Prima, and these types of products you can find on Etsy. See, this is what the outside looked like, and it did clean up a little better, but I could actually use some sugar packets in this. So I have the creamer, and this is the best I could get from it. And yeah, it kind of looks cool on its own, but I wanted it to match the sugar bowl. So I decided to keep the handle and the bottom silver to give it a little contrast. And I was going to paint this one as well. So I took some blue painter's tape and I taped off the bottom so I won't get any paint there. And here's the paint I used. I poured some out, I took my brush, and I painted. And I sped up this portion of the video. I just went around and around, no particular order. Just painted with my heart. And there you go. And this is what it looks like after I put the transfer on. It's another butterfly or a moth to match the other. And I used Dixie Belle's clear coat satin to protect the paint. This does a nice job of protecting your chalk paint from scratches and nicks. And this is how I styled them when I was done. I think they came out very nice. They're cute. They're adorable. And now they're sitting on my table. What do you think? Thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time. I have a little DIY ready for you.